Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change year in Google Earth. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the Google Earth website. You just need to type in Google Earth on your browser, and then the Google Earth website will appear, and you need to visit the website. Just tap on the website to open it. Okay guys, and now the Google Earth website has been opened and you can search for a specific location right here. For example, I'm just going to search for this place, and then if you want to change the year, you can click on this icon. You can activate the historical imagery, and for instance, I'm going to view this place in 2018. Okay, and this is how this place looks like in 2018, and I'm going to change it again. I'm going to select wait I'm going to select this year. Okay, and you can see the difference, right? You just need to use the slider to move to another year. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change year in Google Earth. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.